Hey guys, it's Kai. So today is February 3rd, 2020. It's my first video back up on my channel since the new year. So just coming in to do a very small and very quick update in regards to everything from the last video. As of the 1st of Feb, 2 days ago, I turned 19 months on testosterone, which is crazy. I can't believe how sort of long it's been. But yes, there's that. I've also been switched back from the gel onto the Sustanon, because now we've confirmed that the migraines have nothing to do with having the injection. I've spoken to my clinic, Charing Cross, and they've sent a letter over to my doctor to say I could go ahead with doing the Sustanon again, and I had my first shot in my butt this morning, so it's really weird. I feel like I have a dull ache, and I've forgotten just how like weird it feels afterwards. But yeah, so from the last video, which I think I put up, was 16 months, I think, which is absolutely fine. Not really much changes in the way of like voice or anything like that, but that's to be expected when you're on the T-gel, because it's a very slow thingy. But I have got my patches actually showing up on camera this time. I actually am shaving like every few days. And then I've got a load of chest hair, chin hair even here. I have a lot of chest hair too, but I shaved that because I don't like having hair on my chest. It's just a weird thing, so I shaved that off. But yeah, so there is that. I have my revision with Dr. Caddy on the 10th, so a week today, on Monday, so I'll be going to see him and getting a revision done on the right side of my chest, because there's a lump of skin that needs removing, just to make things more even up, and we'll see how we go from there. I'm seeing the endocrinologist at Charing Cross's clinic on the 18th of Feb, so I've just booked my train tickets, and not my train tickets, I've booked my coach tickets and my underground tram tickets for the day and everything else, and Oyster and whatnot. I've booked all that, sorted all of that, so that it's all ready to go. And my dad is taking me again up to Sheffield on the 10th, and then picking me up afterwards, so that would be really good. Yeah, I don't think there's really anything else in regards to much of a change. I mean, I feel like emotionally I feel a bit meh, but that might just be down to the fact that I'm still recovering from not being very well. So for like the last 2.5 weeks, I've been battling cold, but it's all been up in my sinuses, so I've been very bunged up and whatnot. I've been very tired and drained. Like, I could do the smallest of things and I would get completely and utterly drained. So at the moment we're looking at that, like, medication that I'm on. I'm hoping that it will start kicking in soon. But yeah, I think that's just about it. I will put up a better video a bit later on. I just wanted to upload this for quick onto the channel, just to keep the channel up and running. So anyway, it'd be good. It's good to sort of talk to you guys again. Feel free down in the comments below if you've got any questions, or any sort of suggestions of what videos you'd like to see. I want to try and do this a bit more regularly, but yeah, we'll see. So yeah, peace out. Bye guys.